Red pill ideology is a reaction to feminism, and I think a lot of the guys in the red pill space that are leading the movement, they're not allowed to show vulnerable moments. They're not allowed to say that they fall in love, because then the red pill guys who are all angry are going to be like, that's gay to fall in love. Like, they think that showing emotions is gay, but that's just...
Well, I'm going to keep repeating this. What determines what is right and what is wrong? Right? You look at the wars that are taking place. Everyone looked at Putin a certain way, right, for attacking Ukrainians. They all said that this is morally unacceptable and whatever have you, right? Someone else goes and does it. Oh, it's absolutely fine. You know, they're basically doing the right thing. Like, again, what is morally acceptable and what is wrong? I think it's a very thought-provoking question. Where do you draw the line of what is right and what is wrong?
There's no answer. There's no answer besides the Quran.
And this is the problem that a lot of atheists have. You speak to Suzanne, who's an atheist, she says to you that this is morally unacceptable. You go to Bob, who's also an atheist, he'll tell you, no, Suzanne's wrong. Okay, give me give me a moral compass of how I should live my life, of what is right and what is wrong. I sometimes hear Piers Morgan speaking in his debates and whatever have you. The man's lost with regards to what is morally acceptable and what is wrong.
Just what
and
he's
what
told.
is like a proportionate response and what is not. Because you just don't have a mandate, you don't have a manual, you don't have an external entity that has given you rules and regulations. Whatever view you come out with, someone's going to counter that, and we're going to be there all day long.